Hello everybody, welcome to Adam Explorer, a channel where we make Arabic fun and easy to learn. Let's begin our journey.
Lesson 3.6
Isim Muthanna.
Noun of two
Isim Muthanna.
is a noun that shows the amount of two. How to identify?
Isim Muthanna.
Look at the last letters of the Isim. We will show you the
Muthanna.
in both
Isim Mudhakkar.
and.
Isim Muannath.
What is
Muthanna. Muthanna.
means two.
Isim Muthanna.
Must end with two letters, either
Alif.
an
Nun.
or
Ya.
an.
Nun.
Examples for
Isim Muthanna. Mudhakkar.
noun of two. Let's recall about
Isim Mudhakkar.
the ism does not end with letters.
تاء مربوطة. ألف مقصورة. ألف ممدودة.
The ism that shows name of male or based on the meaning. Examples for
Isim Muthanna. Mudhakkar.
names of two males,
آدماني. آدمين.
two lions,
أسدان. أسدين.
two travelers,
مسافران. مسافرين.
both of you,
أنتما.
based on meaning. Examples for
اسم مثنى مؤنث.
noun of two.
اسم مؤنث.
Let's recall about
اسم مؤنث.
the isim that ends with letter,
تاء مربوطة.
the ism that shows name of a female or based on the meaning. Examples for
اسم مثنى مؤنث.
names of two females,
عائشتان. عائشتين.
two rulers,
مسطرتان. مسطرتين.
two travelers,
مسافرتان. مسافرتين.
based on the meaning, both of you.
أنتما.
Let's identify
اسم مثنى مذكر.
and.
اسم مثنى مؤنث.
Let's identify
اسم مثنى مذكر. محسنان. بلادين. بيتان.
let's identify
اسم مثنى مؤنث. قطتان. كاتبتين.
You have just learned lesson 6 of 7,
اسم مثنى.
which is also known as noun of two. Keep on practicing. Stay tuned for upcoming lesson 3.7.
Do support us by subscribe, like, follow, and share. Ila liqa. See you again.